Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Camaro. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855366. Alright, there are a couple things we want to mention before we get started. First of all is that this mount does use some double-sided adhesive. You'll see it as the blue covering here. You're going to want to peel that cover off before you attach the mount to the dash. Now, if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, that tape is designed so it won't leave any marks or damage behind. Second thing is, make sure you install the mount to the dashboard before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now, the first thing you want to do with this mount is take the included gap opener, and you want to find the seam between the two dash panels up here. So the softer part of the dash and this harder trim piece. There's a seam right here, and you want to go at the apex of the turn at the top here. You just want to insert the gap opener just to open up the seam so we can insert this top edge right in there. And now we're going to use our fingers to put some forward pressure so that the front edge clips onto the chrome piece of trim here. Once that snaps into place, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. Slide in your phone, and now the holder can be rotated from portrait to landscape. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.